Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how Zelle transaction history works and what you can and cannot hide when using Zelle through your bank. First, it's important to know that Zelle payments cannot be permanently hidden or deleted from your bank account history. Because Zelle payments are real bank transactions, banks are required to keep a record of them for security and legal reasons. That said, there are a few things you can do to make Zelle activity less visible or easier to manage. To get started, open your bank's mobile app or online banking and sign into your account. Go to your transaction list or activity page where Zelle payments appear. Some banks allow you to filter transactions. Look for a filter or search option and choose a different date range or transaction type. This doesn't delete Zelle history, but it can temporarily hide it from view. Another option is to rename or categorize transactions if your bank supports it. This helps organize your activity so Zelle payments blend in with other transactions instead of standing out. You can also turn off Zelle notifications. Go to your bank app settings or alert section, find Zelle alerts, and disable them. This won't remove past transactions, but it will stop new Zelle notifications from appearing on your phone or email. If privacy is your concern and you share a bank account, remember that anyone with access to that account will still be able to see Zelle transactions. In that case, using a separate personal account may be the only long-term solution. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you understand how Zelle transaction history works and what privacy options you have, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.